Hi, this is Jake McKinley with Bull Bear Defense Solutions. I'm a cybersecurity consultant, and I wanted to put together a quick demo of Encryption Wizard Unified Edition today to hopefully help the defense industrial base contractors out there that are looking for an encryption for data at rest tool that is free, it's user friendly, and it's well documented. So the intent of this video is a quick walkthrough to introduce you to the product, what it can do, and hopefully you can go out and visit Air Force Research Laboratory site and download the Unified Edition for your needs. And a lot of folks are looking at NIST 800-171 and CMMC requirements to now, and really like this product. It's been around for many years, and it meets FIPS 140-2 for encryption for data at rest. So hopefully this is helpful to you. If so, check out my description and like this video. Alright, so here's the demo of Encryption Wizard Unified Edition. Brought up the README file here. It's kind of a high-level overview of the process to encrypt a file. You got your file there, you got the Encryption Wizard jar, and then the end result is the encrypted file. Scroll down to the decryption process, same thing. So you got your encrypted file, goes through the jar, and you get a readable file at the end of that, whether it's through a passphrase or a PKI private key. There's several options, and it's all documented in this README file that you can download from the site. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and open up the unified FIPS zip file and extract it. So that's what I'm doing here. So extract the contents of that folder. And then you'll want to look for a jar file. So before you do this, you'll want to have the latest JDK or JRE installed on your computer so that this jar file can execute. So go into the file, look at that fips.jar and launch that. And if it doesn't work, chances are you don't have a JRE or JDK installed on your computer. So it'll launch here. So here's the interface. I'm going to create a test file and encrypt it, and then we'll decrypt it after that, just to kind of show you what it can do. So here's a test file with some contents in it, just whatever you're encrypting. It can be any file. In this case, it's just a text file. So you just drag and drop it into the tool. Pretty intuitive, easy to use. There's several options in here. We'll walk through on how you can encrypt the file. You can enter a passphrase. You can enter your own. It's got weak, medium, and strong encryption, depending on what you put in there. For your passphrase, you can use a CAC or PIV. You can also use PKI X509 certificates. I haven't really messed around with that. You can generate a password. So in this example, I'm just going to use a passphrase. But for this, if you're generating a passphrase, just keep in mind that you have an expiration of 30 seconds if you copy to the clipboard. So your passphrase won't be stored longer than 30 seconds unless you change it in the options. So I'm just going to type in a passphrase here for an example and encrypt the file. Okay, you type it in, select add, and select next, and it will encrypt it. You can put in title, author, subject, keyword, comments, whatever, or just skip it. I just skipped it. In this example, I'm going to delete the source file. I don't really need to keep them both, so I just select delete. Okay, so encrypted successfully. Got that file there. It's a .wzd file, not readable if you launch it. It's just random characters, not readable what I encrypted. So now I'm going to decrypt the file to see what the contents of that file are. So same thing, it's already in there, or you can drag and drop it, and that blue text indicates that that file is encrypted. So you just simply select decrypt, type in your passphrase, and it will decrypt that file. This is important for folks that are looking for encryption for data at rest for your NIST 800-171 compliance. And for CMMC as well. So it's a free tool, easy to use, intuitive, well documented. So really recommend it. File decrypted successfully, so now you can take that file and view the contents of it, and pretty straightforward. So I just want to put this together. There weren't really any videos out there on this. There's other features in here I'm going into, like secure delete. You can do a secure way of wiping a file, and just wanted to document how this works for some of the clients we work with are interested in finding out solutions for FIPS 140-2 compliant encryption software, and this is a good one. It's free. It's through the Air Force Research Laboratory, and I'll put my links in the description for where you can get this product and all the documentation. Thanks for watching.